Hello there, I'm Jojo Aquino. I'm a traveler, photographer, and self-proclaimed YouTuber, and I'm going to give you a tour of the Holiday Inn Express, Katong in Singapore. So let's get started. So over here is the entrance, and I'm going to start from here. So right on your left side, you're already greeted by a closet. It's very open, and I just propped my luggage in there and hung my jacket. But yeah, you got like an ironing board and an iron, and then you have another closet right here behind the mirror. And I just stored my stuff in there. And then you have a safe, a laundry bag, I think, and some slippers. Alright, so the next part is the bathroom, and it's a very smart use of space, which is what I like. So right in front of you is the sink, mirror, towels, your little counter, toilet with a bidet. The bidet is always important, especially if you're Asian. And yeah, so like right here is the shower, right by the sink, and just open it, and the shower is actually pretty spacious. I took a shower in here last night, especially after a long day of walking and really sweltering in the heat and humidity, and oh my god, it was like one of the best showers I've ever had. In the shower head, if you move this notch, you can change the massage type when you shower, and it just feels really good. And yeah, what's actually cool is that this door to the shower actually doubles up as a door to the bathroom. Like, it's a really great design. So after the bathroom, you have the reference place, and this is the room. Very nice, very straightforward. This is my first time in a Holiday Inn Express, and I really like how everything is just straightforward and smart. And this is the view outside. Isn't it pretty? This morning I woke up to this view and I was like, I wish I could just live here. And what's nice about these curtains is that they really block light out, so if you don't want light coming in and you want to sleep in, light will not come in. It's a queen size bed. The sheets are so soft. And another detail that I like about this place is that in the pillows it says soft and firm, so that takes the guesswork off of choosing which pillow you want. And then you have your little chair over here. And you got a TV right here. I made this like my own little workspace. And then there's a lot of outlets here. There's USB outlets too. And what's very interesting is that they have this handy phone, and you can actually take this out of the hotel and take it out with you. You can actually call people, it has data, there are some apps here you can take pictures. If you want to explore the city, there are actually city guides here with tips on how to explore. You can buy tickets ahead of time to any of the attractions in Singapore, like Sentosa, Gardens by the Bay, what else? Singapore Zoo, Night Safari, Universal Studios, Aquarium. And yeah, you can totally make calls. I'm guessing you will just get charged later when you check out. And over here, it comes with complimentary water, so you can already make your tea and your coffee. And this drawer here is actually very hidden, but yeah, it's a drawer, and not a mini bar, but it's a fridge. So if you have like any leftovers or drinks that you want to stay cold, you have it. So that's it for the room tour. Please check my blog post for all the details of this place, like what the breakfast is like, the gym, and the laundry, and just everything else on what my experience is like here. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss another one, and follow all these platforms if you're interested. Okay, you guys have a good day. I love you. Mwah.